5 hacks for keeping your kitchen clean. Keeping your kitchen clean is even more essential than other parts of your home. Your kitchen is the most crucial room in a home. When your kitchen is clean, you don't need to fear foodborne illness. In some homes, the kitchen is not cleaned correctly, especially the sink and countertops regularly. This is why it is easy for germs to transfer to food, and when people eat the food, they complain of stomach pain. When people hear about cleanliness in the kitchen, they think that it is only about the aesthetic view of the home. However, there is more to it. Cleanliness brings about safety. In addition, there is no better way to avert accidents in the kitchen than to keep everywhere tidy and sparkling. When there are crumbs of food on the floor, sweep and mop if necessary. Kitchen accidents cannot be compared to other types of accidents. This is because the kitchen is where many sharp objects come in contact. On that note, today's content is geared towards the various hacks that you can use to clean your kitchen effectively. Number 1. Don't start cooking unless your kitchen is clean. It is surprising to see people cooking in a dirty kitchen. When you next want to cook, don't start until your kitchen is clean. If you cook in a messy kitchen, everything may not go as planned. Moving about will be difficult, and it will be complicated for you to reach your items. The joy of cooking in a tidy kitchen is that you will be forced to keep the kitchen clean as you cook. When you have some free time, use the opportunity to clean or wash any dirty plates quickly. Number 2. Always wipe the sink after washing the dishes. As soon as you are done doing the dishes, don't leave food crumbs on the sink, it is gross. It doesn't take much time to take them off to the waste bin and wipe the sink. When you are washing the dishes, bear in mind that you are not done until you remove all food scraps from the sink. Number 3. Have a place for everything. This is one of the best hacks that I know. When you have a place for everything, you don't need to spend an hour searching for something that is not actually lost. For instance, you can arrange things like salt and other cooking spices in the same spot. It helps if you also label all your items. That way, it will be easier for a visitor to differentiate between salt and sugar in your kitchen. Number 4. Clean your dishwasher with vinegar. Vinegar is an excellent cleaning agent, and it gets glassware sparkling clean. When cleaning a dishwasher, you can be relaxed, and the vinegar will perform its miracle. The vinegar helps to remove stains easily. Feel free to add baking soda. This is just one of the ways you can keep your kitchen and its appliances clean. Please note, if you don't have the time to clean, it is not an excuse to leave your kitchen dirty. There are many professional cleaning services that you can call on, and FastKlean Company UK is one of them. They will give your kitchen and home generally a professional transformation. Number 5. Clean up spills immediately. This may look like basic knowledge because we all know it, but how many people do it intentionally? The excuse people often give is that they are in a hurry. They fail to understand that spills are easier to remove when done immediately. Some pills don't need any chemicals before they are cleaned, but due to one delay or the other, whenever you want to clean, it becomes challenging. Furthermore, in a home where you have kids and pets, cleaning will be best as soon as you have made the mess. Finally, here is your bonus tip: keep everything on your counter away. Many people, especially women, like putting all their items on display. They are happy when they enter the kitchen and see their food items on the counter. However, this is not the best. It will be best to stop lining your counter with appliances. This does not mean you should keep your counter free, but you can apply moderation. Minimize the stuff that you have on it. You can keep some items away in your cupboard, and it will still be easy for you to reach them. When your counter is free, you will have more space for food preparation. In conclusion, if you have spilled food in your kitchen, dispose of it properly, and wash your hands thoroughly when you are done. Once you notice that a particular food item smells in a way that gives you concern, don't hesitate to dispose of it. By taking proper care of your kitchen, you are also extending the lifespan of your appliances. Your food processor, toaster, and other appliances make up the kitchen. Once they are faulty, cooking may become laborious. Food storage and preservation are all done in the kitchen. This is an excellent reason to give the kitchen extra care and attention. Some people store a lot of food in their fridges, and they often forget to dispose out-of-date items. The refrigerator is meant to help store food for a particular lifespan. It is not meant to hold them forever. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.